Assalamualaikum, good day. So this is the final class in the phylum Mollusca, the cephalopod. This is the most complex class in the Mollusca. They have the arms, tentacles and fauna that all the derivative of the food. Opening in the mantle cavity as an inhalant aperture and funnel as the exhalant aperture. So they have also the horny beak that's secreted by buccal cavity, and they also have the radula that acts as a radula in the cephalopod. They are sickly marine, although some can tolerate the brackish environment. So we've seen out of 3 classes in the phylum Mollusca, the main classes, 2 classes, the bivalve and cephalopod, are strictly aquatic, while the gastropod can live in aquatic and also terrestrial environment. So here are the main orders in the class Cephalopoda. These are the 2 orders that we commonly found. Cephalopoda, for example, the cuttlefish and also the squid that have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. And the other orders are where the octopus is in, which have 8 arms, and this is very rare order, Nautiloideae, where the nautilus belong. So they have loads of tentacles, 90 tentacles. So Cephalopoda is also move really fast, and in fact they are the fastest marine invertebrates. How they move? They use the jet propulsion, where this is the direction of water out of the siphon, and this is the direction of the cephalopod move. So water enters mantle cavity, and then water exits from the funnel or siphon, so exhale by the funnel or the siphon. So it's really fast. And also, apart from using the jet propulsion, some cephalopods can also walk across using the sucker arms, and some can swim. For example, the cirrus octopods that use web arms to swim. So this is the cirri that they can use for swimming. They have a 2-part beaks. Here are the beaks, or in Malay call it paruh. Most of the cephalopod have the radula to crush the food, and they also have the toxic digestive juice to separate the flesh of prey, and they have small tooth at end of the salivary gland. In terms of digestive, the mouth opens into a buccal cavity. So here's the buccal. Digestive gland have 4 elements: the crop, stomach, cecum, and intestine. So anus that eject with the aid of exhale water from the funnel, waste carried away with the exhalant water jet. In terms of circulatory system, the different cephalopod circulatory system is they have a closed circulatory system like in human, whereas the other 2 classes, bivalve and gastropoda, they have open circulatory system. They have 2 gill hearts here that move blood through the capillaries of the gill heart or the branchial heart. So here are the gill heart. The blue colors are the gill hearts, and one systemic heart that pumps the oxygenated blood through the rest of the body. So the systemic heart use the hemocyanin, a copper-containing protein, to transport the oxygen. Nervous system and sense organ. This is the most intelligent invertebrates. They are the fastest moving, and they are also the most intelligent. So I think some of you, or maybe all of you, might still remember about the World Cup when people, I think there was one octopus who was allegedly so intelligent that he or she can predict the winners of the games during the World Cup. I'm not sure when was it, but maybe in 2014 or 2010 or 2008. I can't or 2010. Okay, I can't remember. Okay, by the way, they have a large ganglia, that form the large brain. Here, the ganglia, highly developed eyes, so they can also distinguish the brightness, size, shape, and also the orientation of the objects, whether horizontal or vertical. Although they have very sophisticated eyes, they are most likely colorblind. They use the chromatophores to change color during the camouflage. So they use a chromatophore for camouflage, and when there is no light, they use the bioluminescence, and they also have the ink in most classes except the Nautilus. Ink sometimes act as a defense system for them to avoid the predators. Their sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. They directly hatch the eggs, so the juvenile from the eggs. One arm of male is modified. So here is the modified arms that use as intromittent organ to remove the spermatophore from anther cavity of the male here to the female. So they use this one arm to transfer the sperm from male to the female. So I think that's all. A quick introduction about the characteristics of the cephalopods. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also you can watch the next videos after this about the activities or the tasks that you guys have to do